Alright guys, put the Civic back over here at the shop, and got Cameron over there. Anyway, and picked up some neat stuff from Avenue Performance. So got a new thing there, a lanyard, and got some cool stuff in the box here. I'm going to show you what we got. One of the things I got is these sweet Avenue Performance minty sunglasses. Here's the box. Show what we got in here. Got a sweet Avenue Performance windshield banner to go up on the windshield. Be pretty awesome. Get that on there. Try to support them as much as possible. And got one of the Get Deep Avenue Performance stickers. Got a few of the Avenue Performance steering wheels, and all these are in the minty color, so it's really look pretty cool. And then here's the steering wheel. All right guys, so here's inside the box. Take a look at this. You can obviously tell it's minty, but look at these spokes. Dude,
I think the car's minty.
Yeah, so now it's got a minty wheel. And the spokes on here, these are the bronze spokes. So like a polished bronze color. And it's a really neat color. Like pictures probably don't do the same justice, and I don't even know if the video will, but that is a super nice wheel. Look at that. That is wicked looking. So,
Dad, you need to stop moving a lot because I can't film this right if you keep on moving.
Okay. There we go. All right, guys. Just wanted to take this thing out here in the sun so you can see that. Look at that. That polished bronze color is just awesome. It's just such a wicked looking steering wheel. So, and what's cool is Carlos of the Avenue told me that he thought this would match the rust and the minty, and he's right. Like the bronze color really looks cool with the rust and the mint on the color on the car. That's awesome. This is a adapter here, and it says for a Honda. I got it with another car, and gonna try to use it on there. I'm really hoping this is gonna fit, and I'm pretty sure that it is. We're gonna try that. And there's Chris. In the house. Check that out. That's gonna look awesome. And guys, you can buy this same type of wheel right here. Sorry, here. So check that out. So now we have the Avenue Performance wheels on the HiRevz website. So anything Avenue offers, we can sell to you through HiRevz. So check that out. So the first thing on here is taking off these plastic caps on each side of the steering wheel, and then there's a bolt right there. We're going to pull those out of here. Right.
Dude, you need to be careful of that. We ain't even disconnected the battery yet.
I think it'll be fine.
Better watch it.
That's just the horn.
Okay. Let me know before you pull it. I'm gonna probably turn my face away.
Ah! Where's my lock?
We're back.
No lock. Okay, so as long as you lock this.
The airbag is still intact, just so everybody knows.
Yeah, I'm not dead. Continue video. So the steering wheel.
It's videoing. It said continue video. I'm already videoing. We're 22 seconds in.
All right. So the steering wheel's locked. We got our wrench. This is a 19.
Yep.
19.
Metric.
Oh. Whew. You get this loose, and then we're not going to take it off. You only want to go to your right at the very end of it. That allows you to do this.
Oh yeah, that. Hey, you see where David broke the steering wheel on his UPS?
Yeah, I did see that. There it is.
There it is.
Done. So now, if I had taken that bolt off, then the steering wheel would have went through my nose. So there we go.
Where would it have ended up if it went through your nose?
Perfect. So, if you can't get it off, then you have to use a steering wheel puller or something to latch in here and kind of pull it. But usually if you can work it a little bit, they'll usually pop right off and you don't have to worry about them.
Yeah, unless you're like 90 pounds soaking wet.
Yeah, like Christopher. I get this whole thing out of there. I don't know what I'm doing.
That housing should disconnect. That does not fold down. I do know that.
What is that?
Go.
So
And action.
Taking out these two screws here. You got the last one.
And what are those?
These are screws, and this goes to the SRS assembly. And I think that's going to work actually. This should go down.
Oh yeah, so dang.
Nice. That doesn't hit very many.
Oh no. See the little tab, the slots right here? They gotta line up with the slots on the back side of that.
Why?
That's for your locking regulator.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Shove your ear.
Just the hub down on here, got everything pretty much lined up, and I'm gonna work on it just slightly, but I think we'll get this up a little bit farther. So I'm just gonna work it around. What you gotta make sure is that your pegs are lined up there. So that should be good.
Yeah.
How tight? That good?
What was that noise?
You heard me. It feels me. You scratching it?
Ain't nobody scratching it.
What?
Ain't nobody scratching it.
It's not deep enough. Look, even if we had it hooked up,
so not
the,
deep.
the nut is sticking through.
Son of a biscuit. Did you get any type of spacer to go with the hub?
I didn't, because I wasn't sure how deep the wheel would be and how thick this was going to be. And it's actually kind of far away, to be honest with you. So what I'll probably end up doing is get some kind of you know, the quick release, whatever, and that would space it out about right there.
Because you don't have much play to even add like a spacer in there. Like there's not much more threads.
Yeah.
To really space it out enough for that. What will be just a fake horn.
Yeah.
On the hub.
Yeah. So I'll hang on to that.
You like it? Matches your ball.
Doesn't it? Avenue also sells a plate, like I could get like a minty plate. It just covers this up. It's just a horn wheat plate.
That like chrome bronze stands out so good in this video though. Like
that's cool though.
Really stands out in this video. Like I mean, when I first saw it, it kind of looked like it was just chrome, but you can definitely see it in the video. It's got that bronze kind of look to it. Pretty slick.
All right, Chris is taking off the tape here. Well, pretty much. We got our Avenue Performance decal.
An awful lot better than it applied.
Yeah. Oh yeah, looks good. Look how good this mint looks next to the Rusty. Action.
Ta-da!
I don't think it's straight.
Yeah, it's definitely not straight.
This one is. that way.
Depends on which way you turn your head. I mean,
Yeah. Well, I gotta put that spacer in anyway. It's super close with the short. This hub is so short. So we'll get the quick release on there, and that'll bring it out a little bit. It's got that disc brake though, dude.